We offer genuine spare parts for Volvo construction equipment, Volvo trucks, Penta engines, SDLG machines and Dongfeng trucks with shortest lead time in Ghana for all our customers.
We focus on our 4 pillars from the after-sales solutions. We have our service contracts, where we have many modalities of contracts. We also have our uptime center, where we continuously monitor the machine operations, machine productivity and machine health. We also have our component rebuild center, where we are able to rebuild components and machines from Volvo equipment. And we also have the training center, where we can provide operators training and also technical training.
Rebuilding your hardworking equipment and makeover it yourself while protecting your finance and the environment. By restoring your existing asset, Volvo Certified Rebuild Program optimize your budget and long term of your investment. We have Volvo expert in our organization, and we also use Volvo genuine parts to give your existing asset a new life. Update with the latest specification, reducing your total cost per hour up to 8%.
As technical trainer at the training center is dedicated to equipping the technicians with the technical skills and knowledge they need to succeed in dynamic and fast-paced world of technology. We offer a wide array of benefits for clients.
We in SMT Ghana have the privilege to acquire 3 simulators that are able to offer training for 4 products: wheel loader, stroke articulator hauler, excavator, and FM trucks. We have hydraulic, electrical benches, and ultra-modern training room with interactive TV screen for all trainees.
A company with a strong commitment to health and safety has a positive reputation in the community. It can improve customer loyalty and attract new customers.
We care, we dare, and we share the best practice and knowledge to improve your business and overall satisfaction.